अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल फैशन ट्रेंड्स बाय माँ। मशहूर अदाकार फैसल कुरैशी के बाद अब फेरोज़ खान भी मैदान में आ गए। कराची की इस सूरत हाल के पीछे जिन जिन लोगों का हाथ है उन सबको खरी खरी सुना। और अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए और बेल आइकन को भी क्लिक कर दीजिएगा ताकि मेरी हर वीडियो आपको फ़ौरन से मिल सके। तो चलें सुनते हैं फेरोज़ खान की ज़ुबान।
Everybody, this is Feroz Khan once again at your service, and today, first of all, I'm really happy that God has given me the strength to actually face this camera and goddamn stupid people who are really out of their heads, and I blame every one of them, every single one of them. Because I think because of their illiteracy, we're facing and we're going through such times. Most people they haven't read shit and they just talk. So I think knowledge is very important, so that debate is fun. But anyway, fuck that. There's a huge number of they're appreciating me and they're just like they're like. But they're really happy that someone's really talking about it and not giving a fuck about what's going to happen next. Another thing, I'm really sorry, I have no filter no more. I don't know. I don't care if whoever does not like the way I talk or whatever, but I have really clean intentions for everyone, and that's how I'm going to be. So the problem with us is that we have zero recall memory. We don't make an example. We don't leave an example for never something to happen again. Because why we're weak is because we have no consistency, not just in the government or the people who care about us, or in ourselves. There's nothing. There's Zena murder case. There's I don't know what all just happened, and for a few days we'd be hashtagging, we'd be singing, oh it's shit, why did you kill that girl, she was so young. Okay. Why I'm so concerned about my neighborhood, first of all, is because I've always heard this saying, अव्वल खेश बाद दरवेश। बाद पहले उनको सर्व करो और उसके बाद बाकी लोगों को आप जाके सर्व करो। तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं अपना पार्ट कर रहा हूँ। जितने भी लोग मौजूद हैं जिनको लगता है और वो दुनिया भर में मर्द बने घूमते हैं, they should have some balls, like show me what you got, show me what you got, show me what you got, do something for your country, and don't forget, अगर किसी के भी अंदर जो भी ये वीडियो इस वक्त देख रहे हैं उसके अंदर इतनी सी भी गैरत है तो वो ये भूलेगा नहीं। This day you won't forget. You're gonna ask all these people, how do they drive G-Wagons? How do they drive Mercs? How do they have Maybachs? Let's for a bit just forget about the tax, right? Let's just forget about how much anyone's earning and how much tax are they actually paying. उसको बाद में बात करते हैं। पहले तो सिर्फ ये बात करते हैं कि एक घर से साल का 5,500,000 रुपीस लिया जाता है। उसमें हफ्ते में 2 दिन ये सिर्फ कचरा उठाने के लिए बेचते हैं मेरे पास घर पे। पानी नहीं है, खरीदना पड़ता है, गैस नहीं है, स्ट्रगल करना पड़ता है। Where the fuck am I actually living? Now who do I trust? I still remember that day. There were elections happening. There was voting happening, and I was like, okay, you know what? I'm just gonna go and I'm gonna make sure I just vote for Imran Khan. And I had all eyes on me because obviously people watch you, and this is even that are following me because I want to inspire people the same way that if someone's appreciating me, they can appreciate you as well. For only one thing, that is that you gotta die anyway. You're gonna die. I mean, there is no way that you can escape certainty, which is death. बहुत सारे लोगों को ये भी शिकायत हुई है कि मैंने उर्दू में अभी तक अर्ज़ किया, तो मैं आपसे ये बताना चाहता हूँ, एक दफ़ा अर्ज़ करना चाहता हूँ कि आप लोगों को, हम सब को मौत आनी है, लेकिन इतना पैसा देने के बाद, इतना कुछ करने के बाद अगर हमारी घर में पानी आके डूब के मर जाए तो आई डोंट थिंक सो कि इट्स इवन वर्थ इट। व्हाट डू यू थिंक? है ना? मतलब I mean, I think people after us, our generation, business is it's just done. I mean, I don't have another word to say. I mean, should I be more philosophical and sound like, or use a great vocabulary, or should I just say that it's done, it's gone with the water? people are gone with the water, then what? I mean, it's simple, man. I mean, why do we put on a mask and be something else and can't even talk about, stand for what you think existence is a waste. Your existence is a waste, and that's it, man. Just disappointed in everyone out here. I've been out. मुझे अपनी तारीफ़ें यहाँ पे बैठ के नहीं करनी है कि मैंने शायद लोगों को निकाला हो पानी से, या पता नहीं मुझे तालियां बजवानी हो अपने लिए. मैं अपने गार्डन में बैठ के इस वक्त बात कर रहा हूँ, और अगर ज़रूरत पड़ी तो ऑब्वियसली उन सारी चीज़ों के लिए मैं नहीं, लेकिन बहुत सारे लोग बात कर सकते हैं. बिकॉज़ हमेशा इस बात पे यकीन किया है कि नेकी जो है वो कभी ज़ाया नहीं जाती. तो मुझे खैर इन सब चीज़ों की कोई बट यार, खुदा का वास्ता है अपनी माँ बहनों के लिए, अपनी औलादों के लिए खड़े हो जाओ. आज खड़े हो जाओ. ये जितने लोग यहाँ से पैसा चोरी करके बाहर भागे हैं, लोग यहाँ पे पैसा चोरी करके बैठे हुए हैं, अगर हम सब उनके घरों के बाहर जाके खड़े हो जाएं और उनके गर्दनों से पैसा ना निकाल सकें, तो आई डोंट थिंक कि देयर इज एनीथिंग एल्स दैट वी कैन डू. सो थिंक अबाउट इट and do thinking about it, because if you stop thinking about it, there is no future for you, there is nothing for you. Simple. And I am putting everything that I have on stake. So I'm putting everything on stake for my generation to come, for Muhammad Sultan Khan to live peacefully in Pakistan, because I went to England, I was studying there, I left opportunities over there, I left nationalities over there just for the sake of this country. And now if I have to just get old, get wrinkles on my face, and just die present in front of Allah and say, or Akka Rasul Pak sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, and say, so what did you do? You had all our backing, you had all our faith, you had everything, we were watching you, no one could do nothing about you, so what did you do? So what are you going to say? May God never show me that day. May God never show me that day. I pray that when I die, I'm welcomed, Ameen Summa Ameen, in his arms. Ameen Summa Ameen, Ameen Summa Ameen. And I care less about this world, the people living here, about me, what they do. I'm protected, mate. So just one last question before I go. Damn, man. So my question is that everything's wasted, everything's ruined, everything's upside down in the city. सब कुछ खराब हो चुका है. मुझे कोई बताया यार. I mean, someone needs to answer me यार. मतलब support चाहिए होती है provincial government को, तो चीखना शुरू हो जाते हैं, वोट दो, तीर बिजा, यहाँ बिजा, वहाँ बिजा. I mean, what the fuck? हो चुका है, बेसमेंट में पानी चले गए हैं, घर में पानी चले गए हैं, तबाह बर्बाद हो गया है सब कुछ, मशीनरी, लोग, पैसा, सब तबाह हो चुका है. तो अब मुझे बताओ यार कि टैक्स का क्या करेंगे? टैक्स की पर्ची तो मेरे पास आ जाएगी, पर मैं क्या करूँगा? The hell? And it's just sad, man. It's just sad. Wow. I mean, this Nawaz Sharif guy, man, like he made a castle for himself. He made Lahore his garden. You know, okay, cool. Zardari, he made like a huge castle for himself, blocked everything. Like, we got our two main roads back because they were locked, they were cordoned off, because he thought maybe he wanted more space to be happy in. And then, you know, all these guys, they're driving like G-Wagons, bro. I mean, Max G-Wagons. Where did they get it from? If the country is fucking struggling, how are they driving such fancy cars? What businesses are they doing? I'm gonna take a short break because I'm really tired. I'm really exhausted. I'm not feeling well. I've got like fever and just tired. So I want to tell you this. I want to share this one hadith with you guys by Akka Rasul Pak sallallahu alaihi wasallam. That is, takabbur karne wale ke saath takabbur karna sadqa hai. So whoever does wrong to you, do not sit back. Do not. If you just look around, just outside their houses, they're like, there's a huge list of cars, there's a huge number of cars, there's just one person living inside who actually works in the government. So how about we start taking photos, posting them, and we question, We question. Why not? Why not, man? I want to give you this one. What a great thing can be done right now. All these, obviously, just like me, I'm sure all of you are living in great localities, and if not great, I mean, wherever you're living, there must be some kind of government officials. So there's one point that I missed was that when there were elections happening, and obviously, as it is, we have gone through a very terrible times in the past. So it's always been a very difficult task. So when I went to vote, I still remember that before it was even announced, and right as soon as I got out of it, I made sure that I share it with my followers and my fans. And I congratulated Prime Minister, and I got about 140,000 hits on that photo. So obviously, let's say not 140,000, let's say 40 votes got out because I supported in that time. So I just need an answer for those 40 votes. I need to be answered for those 40 votes.